Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be unboxing the Polo's LED portable photo studio, which you can see in the corner there already set up. It took a little bit of time to figure out how to set up right, and at the same time to get the different colored backgrounds outside of the tent. Definitely want to do that before you actually set it up, and then after unboxing it, you'll set it up. I will say that this little stand that comes with the kit is useless. This thing is not going to help you with anything. It doesn't even really hold a phone. Like, could not hold my phone. And yeah, these things not very good. Outside of all that, I really like the tent itself. It has a nice little light filter on the top that you can remove to take top-down shots, as well as a number of different colors and backgrounds that you can use, from blue to green to red to cream to white and to black. So the black one and the white one and the cream one are like a plastic, while the red, green, and more colorful ones are all cloth. So just keep a note of that. No, wait, is it cloth? More like paper? Cloth, paper, one of the two. But I made some pretty nice first time shoots for a couple of different videos, just getting some B-roll. Really appreciate it for the kombucha. Really looked good in the tent. Beyond that, I did get a rotary turntable. Don't really like it too much. That will be another video. So thanks for checking this one out, and I will catch you in the next one.